Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create ebook with Canva. Canva is a platform that allows you to create graphic designs for whatever necessity you might need for free. They also offers you a paid version or a paid subscription, but even without it, you can still use a lots of elements, lots of templates for free. And you can try the free trial for the paid version if you want. They give you a 30 days free trial, but in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create your ebook with just free account. To create your ebook, the first thing you're going to do is that you're going to try to find a template. You can do that by typing in the keywords for what you're searching for on the search bar. So I just typed out ebook, and these are the templates that we can use. There is a lot of options that you can choose from these templates, and each one of them are totally customizable. If you notice, some of the templates have symbols on the bottom right of the pictures, and those symbols, those crown symbols, means that these kind of templates can only be used if you are on the paid account, because they have some pro element that are inaccessible for the free account. You can see each design of the ebook by clicking on the pictures of the template. You can see the pixelated measurement. You can also see how many pages the template have, so you can take a look first before you decided to customize that particular template. You also have the option to create a customized size design. So to do that, what you're going to do is you're going to go to Canva's home and then click on create a design button. Scroll down on the drop down menu and click on custom size. And here you can insert whatever sizes you want to use. For today, I'm just going to use a 6 by 9 inches size. And this is what we're going to work with for today. As you can see, the first thing you're going to see is just a blank white page. And on the left side of your screen, you can see that there is a selection of templates that you can choose. So don't worry if you ended up changing your mind in the middle of creating your design. You can still try to search out for some templates that you can insert to your ebook page. You can add the template by simply clicking on whatever templates you want to use. For example, I'm going to try and click on this My Universe one. And there you go. The template designs added automatically to your page. Now, these templates only comes with the book cover. If you want to try and search out some templates that have multiple page on it, you can scroll around some more, or I'm just going to try and put ebook multiple page on the searching bar. But as you can see, it's not going to show you the book with multiple page on the first try. But if you scroll around, you will see like this one over here. This one have several pages that you can work with. And each one of the template that have multiple pages can be used separately, meaning that you don't have to use all of the page that comes with the template. You can choose, let's say, whether one or two of them, and then you want to combine it with another page from another ebook template. That is totally possible. So the book that I'm going to create today is a baking book theme. So I'm just going to try to find a cover for my ebook first. I'm doing that by typing in baking book on the searching bar, and then I'm going to see if there is any cover that catches my eye. You can see that there is an options for coloring book as well. I think I'm going to add one page for coloring just for fun in my ebook. Sometimes, while scrolling around and trying to search for some ideas, I stumble upon a page that I would like to use. For example, this chocolate tiramisu recipe. I think I want to insert it into my ebook. So I'm just going to go ahead and use it for now, because after you insert your page, you can also alter the page. You can move its positions. Let's say that you want this recipe to be on the 4th page of the book, or in, let's say, 15th page of the book. You can do that by clicking on the arrow on top of each pages, and it's going to bring your pages up or down depending on which arrow you're clicking. And I ended up choosing this one as my cover. I'm not going to change the title of the book, but I am going to change the name that is written on it. I'm going to change it into my business name, and then I'm going to add an interactive button on the bottom of my title. To do that, you can simply click on the wordings or on the text that you would like to make interactive of, and then you can click on the three little dots on the pop-up menu that appears on top of it, and then click on link, and you can proceed to insert a link of whatever it is you want to put in that. For example, here I am inserting my Wix website link to my ebook. So I'm just going to go ahead and paste on the link on the link text box over there. And you can also choose how people will see it. The link button appearance, you can choose whether you want them to see the link or they can see on the embed version of the link. I don't really like the first text button, so I ended up creating a new text box and customize it with my own wordings. You remember earlier that I insert this chocolate tiramisu template into my page. Of course, once you insert something like this, you can go ahead and customize it even more. Mostly, these templates have their wordings grouped together. It was made like that so that it's going to make it easier for anyone who wants to customize it to move it around. But if you want to change or customize it into another things, you will have to ungroup them first and then you can start customize it one by one. Of course, you can feel free to customize the ingredients so that it's going to go according to your own ingredients, or you can also add some more element. You can change out its notes, but I'm just going to show you how you can customize the elements by changing the prep time, cook time, as well as the serving that appear in this template. You can see that to fill in my prep time, cook time, as well as the serving time, I copy those wording first and then I move it to the right side of the text and then I started filling it out from there. I do that because I don't want my customized text to have different space or different linings from the original template. I think that is going to make it easier instead of just creating a new text box and adjust it one by one. And now I'm going to show you how you can change the pictures if your templates have pictures and you don't like it. You can change it either by using the pictures that Canva have, or you can use your own pictures. Both of them have the same way on inserting the pictures to the template. So for now, I'm going to give you an example on how you can insert the pictures that are on Canva. To do that, you can just go ahead and type out the type of pictures you want to insert. For example, I'm typing out tiramisu because this is a tiramisu recipe, and then I'm going to click on the pictures and drag it to where the pictures is supposed to be. As you can see, if you're just clicking it, it's going to appear on the middle of my templates. I don't want that. I want my pictures to be located on the same place like the original pictures on the template is. So if you want to do that, you just have to drag your pictures into the existing place. Now that I'm done with the tiramisu recipe, I'm going to add a table of content to my ebook. And I'm just going to scroll around and see if there is any table of content templates that catches my eye. And I kind of like this one, but you can see that once I applied it, there is a watermark on the templates, and what it means is that I accidentally click on the pro version template. So that is what happened if you're trying to use any pro templates or any pro elements. You're going to end up having a watermark, and you can only remove the watermark if you subscribe to their paid membership. I ended up using this template for my table of content. And here I am adjusting the pictures after I change it from the original one. To adjust your pictures, you can simply double click on it and then you can drag it around and adjust it to however you want it to be. Now for my next page, I want it to be a brief explanation of what my book is about. And I am trying to find a multiple page template. And when I click that I want to insert all of the pages that are available in the template, these notification pop up. So we must pay attention that if we want to insert a multiple page template when we already design several templates, It's only going to replace all of the design that we have already made. So if you want to insert the multiple page template, you will have to do it before you create a design first. I wanted to make a brief introduction of my book in this section, but I ended up creating a brief history of baking for these sections, and I'm doing that by inserting one of the page from a template that I found earlier. So here I am just adjusting the wording before I'm going to go and create my next page. For my next page, I told you earlier that I want to make a coloring page for my ebook, so I'm doing that by simply trying to find a coloring template. I found that coloring dinosaur template, which is quite cute, but our book is about baking and not dinosaur. So I just combine some elements that looks like it is a coloring element, and then I combine them all together inside of that page, and that is my coloring page. For the rest of the pages, I'm just going to insert some more recipes, and then at the very end of my book, I want to have some notes section so that, let's say if you want to create a note digitally, you want to scribble around, they will have place for it, and that is it. If you want to see your whole ebook, you can do that by clicking on this four little square on the bottom right of your screen, and it's going to take you to this page over here where you can see all of your pages all at once. And once you're satisfied with how your book looks, you can go ahead and click on share and then scroll all the way down to see a download options, and then over here you can change what your file will be in these sections. I'm choosing PDF standard for now, and then you can also choose if you want to download all page or just several page at one. And once you're done with the setting, you can go ahead and click on download. And there you go. Your ebook is finished. Remember earlier that I insert a text button? I'm going to show you how it works. So here I'm on my first page, and that is where my text button is. And when I click on the text button that I insert a link at, it's going to automatically open to the website that you are referring to. So when I click on that specific text button, it brings me to my website. So feel free to do that, or you can also add another link, whatever link you want to put. Maybe you want to insert your social media, etc. Feel free to do that. And that's it. That is how you can create your own ebook with Canva. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.